Any social media marketing effort must include Twitter. You don't need a blog to make money with Twitter, though. You can make money on the social network in a variety of methods other than selling your own items or services. Twitter is a great platform in and of itself, rather than just a vehicle for promoting another website. You can build a Twitter account around a lucrative specialty, for example, generating money online education, or motherhood, and attract a significant number of followers who are interested in that field. Then, instead of needing to develop material yourself, you may tweet links to great stuff from around the web, providing value to your followers. So how do you make a living? Selling advertising, sponsored links, and affiliate marketing in the same manner you do on a blog. Here are several programs that can assist you in earning money on Twitter. Before we proceed, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos. 1. Crowdsource. The technique of collecting ideas and contributions from a big group or community is known as crowdsourcing. For years, it's been a marketing darling, particularly when it comes to social media. Crowdsourcing on Twitter is a great approach to get contributions from your new and existing followers to help fund your business or concept. This is especially effective when used in conjunction with a crowdfunding platform like Kickstarter. Crowdsourcing has the potential to make you a lot of money, or at the very least capital, but only if done right. Before you begin your first project, read through a number of successful case studies. 2. Ad.ly. Another ad solution that allows you to include adverts in your tweets is Ad.ly. You will not, however, be paid per click. Instead, you construct an interest profile, and advertisers can then choose your account to promote a campaign. You agree to send a certain number of tweets on a certain schedule in exchange for a lump sum payment. 3. Sell products. Although it may seem obvious, some businesses overlook the fact that people will not buy anything if they do not see a call to action. When it comes to how you sell items on Twitter, the conversation has shifted to a more traditional approach. Using promotions and discounts to encourage spending is one of the most effective techniques. Some companies have had a lot of success with daily specials and other fundamental marketing techniques that work well with Twitter. Just make sure you're not spamming your Twitter feed with sales pitches. 4. Produce your own Twitter-related service. Because your target audience is on Twitter, you already know what they do in their spare time. Use this to your advantage by developing a Twitter product that they will want. Many Twitter users, for example, would prefer to use an app that automatically generates hashtags based on popularity. Something similar may already exist, but you can create a superior offering that your audience would like. Alternatively, you can charge others to establish their Twitter presence using platforms like Fiverr. 5. Sponsored tweets. Did you realize that you can charge companies for your tweets? You can locate advertisers on sponsored tweets who will pay you to tweet about their products for a fee you set. Just keep an eye on what you're tweeting on the side. Many people have been fired as a result of their tweets, and the same can be said for losing a sponsor. 6. Discover new leads. You can find potential clients based on their profiles and what they're tweeting thanks to Twitter's great search engine feature. Assume you're in the business of selling skateboards. Search phrases like "need a new skateboard" or "wish I had a skateboard like this" to get new leads. From there, you may send a tweet to the person informing them of a skateboard promotion you're doing. If they're interested, you may even give them a coupon code. 7. Hold a Twitter contest. A prize is the most effective way to get people's attention. Connect with a local business that is looking for publicity. Offer to run a contest on Twitter in exchange for a percentage of the sales generated. There are many entertaining and inventive ways to entice followers to enter a contest. You can enlist their help as judges, get ideas from them, or simply ask them to favorite or retweet something. 8. Use YouTube. Consider making Twitter-related tutorials that people are searching for on Twitter if you're good with videos. You may monetize your YouTube content with AdSense and make a lot of money based purely on your Twitter knowledge. Selling banner advertisements on your profile page, setting your own pricing, and selling direct sponsored tweets, charging to send a personal message to your followers, or charging for access to your private list of followers are just a few of the ways you may make money with your Twitter account. These services can also assist you in making money through pay-per-click advertising, which can be very lucrative if you have a huge following. As always, thank you for watching. See you in my next